This is an all-clear alert. We have used nuclear warfare to defeat these heck of a creatures. We gave alerts on when nuclear warfare would be used. We lost 3 billion people and 70 million bonus from warfare. We apologize. But without the nuclear warfare, we would be dead, surprisingly. When the animals are killed, they come back to life without the disease. Although they can be infected with the disease again, the chances are greatly reduced. It is safe to come out of your bunkers. Stay with caution as this disease can return. We will give updates in 6 hours.
Just 17 hours after the all clear, the disease has returned. Man, I wish I had a cup of tea. What's that noise? Oh shoot, there's an animal in the studio. I'll get away from thee.
Oh shoot, I need to hide.
This is an extreme emergency. Your life G's in extreme danger. When these animals get infected, they fully mutate within 9 to 10 minutes.
Shelter in place and grab as much resources as possible. All crimes are legal except murder, robbery, assault, and adult stuff.
After the nuclear attacks on the mutated animals 2 days ago, they got radioactive mutations after being normal for about 12 hours. If you encounter one of these mutated animals and escape, the radiation they are emitting will kill you. Hazmat suits are being deployed by the government. These mutated animals are expected to cross over the continent within 18 hours. The border outside of the United States will close in for hours, 45 minutes and 16 seconds. Evacuate or shelter in place immediately if you fail to evacuate. Shelter in place. The border to Mexico and Canada will be shut up at 6:30 p.m. August 17, 2021. Your survival is our priority, and remember, Godspeed.
The infected creatures. Our attack on Walmart. Evacuate the building out of the emergency. Exit now. The building will shut in 6 minutes. If you don't evacuate, you're dead. Do not loot anything from the building. The animals are invading from the main entrance. Run to the emergency exit. Do not re-enter.
This is an emergency broadcast. Your life is in critical danger. We will silence for your safety.
Hey, are you alright?
No, my leg is killing me.
We will get you. Help. Fire.
This is a farewell message from the United Kingdom. May we see glory from the cup of Tra. May the cup of tea give a miracle. We are certainly dead. All governments and militaries have fallen. This will end suffering